Hello, this is Guy Gear, and today I'm going to be talking about JLab's JBuds Air Sport, and these are really a game changer from what I've had. So I've experimented with a lot of JLab products. I really enjoy them for my workouts. In the past, I used these over-ear wired Bluetooth 4.2 buds, and the link for these will be in the description. And these are about $30. And I always found them sibilant, which means that they can be a little scratchy at the high end. When singers like Derek from Sum 41 do certain parts, they can sound a little scratchy and a little rough. But that said, I've liked these because they were affordable. They stay in my ears when I run and bike and lift. And I thought they were good value, and I liked that they were waterproof. I could get splashed in the rain. They had good battery life. They were good for camping. They could last a four But anyhow, now let's move on to the newest. So JLab has four different types of true wireless. So they have their signature $50 ones that are just true wireless that fit in your ears, and they're most similar to Jabra or Apple AirPods. So that's the $50 one. The next one up are the $70 ones. The $70 ones are the ones I have here, and these have ear hooks. Then there's a $100 set of these with ear hooks, true wireless, and then there's a $150 set of these with ear hooks, true wireless. So the price points are $50, $70, $100, and $150. So those are the four price points. Now, I'm going to open these up for you. So one of my favorite aspects of these is that other commentators say that they really prefer a smaller charging case. I like the big charging case. I think the bigger charging case is harder to lose. So as you can see, it's cycling. It shows that they're charging. Then I'll take them out for you. So here they are charging. And I will take them out for you and show you what they look like when I put them on. I'll put it on my my right ear so I can leave the microphone in. So here, this is going to fit over my ear here. And I find it's a really nice matte black. It's a great fit. Very good noise isolation in the gym. They have very loud music in my gym, but these act like earplugs. It's passive noise canceling, meaning there is no battery adding frequencies to cancel sound. That would be active noise canceling. But instead, they block your ear canal really well, like an earplug. So that's why they're passive noise canceling. So you'll be able to hear only your music. You're not going to hear the other background noise in the gym as much. I probably wouldn't wear these for running outside because you're not going to be able to hear cars, and it just might not be that safe. So if you are going to use these outside, I would just use the left earpiece only. So I'm going to put this back. My favorite aspect of these is that even though these are fairly flexible, and I've worn these for running, and I've worn these for biking, and I've worn these for lifting. But that said, I don't think it's a gimmick to say that the true wireless really does increase your range of motion. I've had these get caught on the weights. I've had these fall out when I'm on the track. Basically, there's a set of push weights that the football players use, and I'll sometimes run and push that. And these will fall out of my ears when I do that. Today, when I did the push weights on the football field, these stayed in. My entire 40-minute workout, I know, I should work out longer. But throughout my entire 40-minute workout, these stayed in the whole time. And they are IP rated, so I was dousing my head in the locker room to cool down. It's 84 degrees here in New York, and the air conditioning wasn't working very well, so I kept dousing my face. And these can handle a little wetness. I love the huge case. I love that they have many hours. Case here says they get up to 40 hours of playtime. So basically 40 hours of listening time, probably 3 hours at a time. But I'll let you know as I continue using them how many hours charge they can hold before needing a recharge. So I guess I want to just sum up again. We got 4 different sets of true wireless headphones from JLab. It's a company I really like. They're a startup from LA. I think they're really good quality. Surprisingly, these are actually a much higher quality product than the Sonys I reviewed on my channel recently. The Sonys are $170. These are $70. And what I like is that there is no button to deal with. I don't have to deal with. These were easier to pair than the Sonys. The Sonys were a nightmare to pair. Within about a minute, I had these working. Whereas on the Sony, I had to keep fussing with it over and over and over again, and it's true that I may have had a defective set of Sonys, but that said, the Sony button was recessed. Really, it was hard to hit the button. It was hard to get the Bluetooth signal working on these. With these, the button is bigger. The case is better. This case has a more premium feel than the Sony case, and I highly recommend them because they have a very balanced sound. If you want uber deep bass, you may be happier with the Power Beats Pro, which is the newest Beats by Dr. Dre. They're $250. They are really beautiful and they have good reviews. Some of the critics say that the Power Beats are even better than certain Bose True Wireless. But that said, these have a much more balanced sound than these for $30. And I thought that I was listening to Derek's voice on Sum 41's new album, and the drums sound really tight, really crisp, really punchy. There's good separation between instruments. Vocals sound good. I think they have a nice balanced sound where you get the nice stereo separation between drums, vocals, and guitars. And for a $70 set of headphones, it's really amazing because I've demoed headphones from Bowers & Wilkins, that's England, Bang & Olufsen, that's Denmark. I've had Sennheiser from Germany. I've had Ultimate Ears, they're made in America, but I've had $400 earbuds from Ultimate Ears. And what's exciting is that we're seeing the audio quality improve and improve and improve, and cost diminish and diminish and diminish. So it's a really exciting time that we're getting more and more performance for less and less money. Now, do I think these are going to compare favorably with a Master and Dynamic? Probably not. Are these going to compare favorably with a Sennheiser? Probably not. Are these going to compare favorably with a Bose? That's a toss-up. I think the bass on these is good. I'd have to try the Bose. Do I think these would compare favorably with the Bang & Olufsen? Probably not. But that said, if you're going to buy really inexpensive knockoff true wireless headphones, I think you'd be better off with JLab. They're a little more of an established brand. And I haven't gotten to try Tao Tao. That's a small brand coming up. I know that my friends love MPOW True Wireless, and those are about $40. And all in all, I think if you spend a lot of time in the gym, the JBuds Air Sport for $70, I think it's a good value. I was surprised. I thought the sound quality was a lot better than other JLab headphones I've had in the past. So for $70, I think they're worth it. I would probably choose these over the standalone earbuds that don't have the hook, because I think these will probably stay in your ear better for workouts. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and give me suggestions of other topics you'd like to hear about, and I look forward to your comments.